So we're looking at the GoPro 8 Media Mod, and here's going to be where your microphone's going to collect the sound and stuff. And as we turn over here, you can see where your power button will go in. On the back side here, you have two ports. One is a charging point. So once you get the GoPro Media Mod out of its package, you get her open up. Now this opens up, as you can see here. Get down to just a little simple little click right here. Opens up. Your GoPro is going to slide in here. Normally where you would plug your GoPro in to charge it, that's going to connect in there, giving it the power. It will also register on your GoPro once you turn your GoPro on, and there's a couple settings in there to do that. Pretty self-explanatory, as GoPro usually is. Then we have the actual charging, the new charging port, and then we also have the media port. So you'll be able to hook the monitor up that you can put up here, or you could put another microphone in. Now, speaking of how this actually works, is everything you will need will have a little clip piece that will go in here if you wanted to add a light or the media mod. So you can add a light here in the media mod, or just different combinations. It's also extra protection against drops and scrapes, stuff like that. What I will say is this is kind of good and bad. So it's great because I can take a power bank and be charging while I'm filming, which I kind of like that. But it can be a pain in the butt at times, with it being winter or cold outside, of getting this to open up. As you see, it's not that easy to always open up. So that's kind of the good things and the bad points about it. Obviously you're not going to need your door on your GoPro, so that's a good thing too. Paid around about 80 bucks for this through the GoPro store, so I'm happy with it. I think there's a lot of upgrades, a lot of potential in the future to accessories and such. And one of the things I have already seen is you can piece together all you need to take and be able to mount your cell phone, such as your Samsung, Apple, right onto here to make it a screen, so that you can even use two cameras at once, or you can use it yourself as a monitor. That's something we'll get into more come about Monday, and I'll show you how that actually works. I think that's a great concept. So enjoy, guys, and hope your week's been really good.